To say words that start with the letter B, just put your lips together like ba, ba, ba. For example, I like to bring my beach ball to the beach. I carry my books in my backpack. The V sound is softer. To say words that start with the letter V, put your top teeth onto your bottom lip, like va, va, va. For example, after I vote, I will play the violin. Words like volleyball have both sounds. I like to play volleyball on the beach. Veronica's boyfriend Bill gave her blue and violet flowers for Valentine's Day.